lettuce, pepper, some tomatoes, chicken on the grill. Chicken sizzling away, spiced up. Chicken sizzling away. A fantastic job here. This is the framing. So they've already installed the back one. That's nice neat job. So you've got to put the panels in. So we're putting the frame in. No faces, okay, yeah? This is where it's gonna go. This opening there. Unfortunately the lads are a bit shy, so we're not gonna put any faces in. Let's make it the lunch. Oh yeah. Chicken sizzling away. Flatbread. Bit of sauce. Flatbread. Chicken. Salad. Naan bread all gone. Zia's also gone. Go on, bro. Last piece. Thank you, bro. Oh, there's the green. Get your fish, don't it? It's okay, do it. So literally got the panel left.